Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we got a package from our friends from Retroscaler. So let's open it up and see what we got. In the first box, well, not for today. I will show this in another video. In this second box we got an LED light board for the PlayStation 4 controller. Beside light board itself we got this manual, pretty detailed, set of spare screws, and of course all the buttons in clear. And let me say, this is a pretty nice package for the buttons. So I grabbed my customized blue PlayStation 4 controller. Let's disassemble and install this light board. Let's go. First remove the 4 screws in the back. Next, split the 2 parts of the controller and take care because there is a ribbon cable that needs to be disconnected. Next, disconnect the battery. Remove the battery support. Next, disconnect the touchpad ribbon. There is a screw that needs to be removed, and then you can lift the controller board assembly away from the front part of the controller. And you can remove the 2 joysticks and the R and the L buttons in the back. You can then slightly lift the motherboard away from the plastic housing. All the steps completed, we can now start the assembly of the light board. First, slide the connector from the LED board in the same place where the original membrane goes. After that, place the motherboard back in its place. Remove also the rubbers from the L and R so we can put the light board underneath. Just like that, and after that put the rubbers back in again. Now we can install the first clear buttons. We're gonna begin for the L and the R buttons. Quick and easy. Now we need to secure the light board into the original little plastic pieces, just where the original membrane sits. Just like that, nice and steady. Now we have on the side 3 stickers that we need to remove the protection. The first one, do a 90-degree fold and glue it just like that. Then fold it to the inside and glue the small PCB to the back of the vibration motor. With that done, let's move on to the front and glue the rings around the joysticks. Make sure that the joysticks move freely. Next, we can install the clear joystick covers. And then the rest of the buttons on the front panel. Before we reassemble all together again, a quick tip to help pass the touchpad ribbon into the plastic hole. Grab a piece of tape and fold it just like the ribbon size, glue it to the ribbon itself and then pass it through the hole, and you simply grab it from the other side. And then came the part when I realized that I screwed up. I didn't check the version of my controller, and as you can see from the manual, the battery connector needs to be on the right side and the mine is on the left. So this model isn't compatible. So I grab another controller, this time a compatible version, and redo all the steps once again. So a few moments later and we are back to the point where we stopped earlier. So now all we have to do is connect these two little connectors, reassemble the back case, and it's done. Just a quick clean before we can see the final result. So to turn on the LEDs we need to press and hold right, up and square buttons. Wait just a couple seconds and there you go. This one turns already in red because I pre-tested and I like it in red. Pressing and hold up and right again until PS button blinks, you can change the colors and the mods. Just press the square button until you find your preferred mod. You can change colors and the LED modes like fading, blinking, etc. Once you decide the color and the mod, just press and hold again up and right to save the option. So, as you can see, this is a pretty simple installation mod to your PS4 controller. I really like the final result. So thanks again to our friends from Retroscaler to send me this really cool light board to my PS4 controller. Don't miss out the next videos to see more cool stuff from Retroscaler. So if you wanna buy this amazing light board for your controller, I leave the link in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.